Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit profile on Spotify. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Spotify remains the most popular streaming music service on the planet despite recent effort by Apple, Amazon, and YouTube Music. With almost half a billion active users, a common request is how to change your username, how to custom your profile on Spotify. How to do it so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Spotify. Now you can go to your profile by tap on the up left corner here. You can view your profile, tap on view profile. So here's my profile. If you want to edit your profile, you can just tap on edit on here. You can edit your name. Maybe for example, I will change my name like this. Now I want to change the profile picture. You can choose photo from your gallery. For example, I want to use this picture. Wait. I would choose this picture as my profile. Now you can use photo. So here's your new profile on your Spotify. Tap on save. Saving your changes. You can wait. So anytime if you want to change your profile on your Spotify, you can do this way. If it doesn't change, you can just reopen your Spotify. So that is how to edit your profile on Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.